Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial. And in this short video, we will learn how we can update the drivers that we have in our device, in our laptop or PC. Okay, so let's get started. And the first thing we need to do is make a right click on our Windows icon and go to Device Manager. Now once this window is up on your screen, let me just maximize this one. Please go to Display Adapters. Click this arrow here and you will see the graphics card that you have in your device. So for example, if you're using AMD Radeon or even Intel or NVIDIA, then all you need to do is to update it. All you need to do is just make a right click on it and then click on Update Driver. And you will be asked, how do you want to search for drivers? Just check the first, or just click on the first option, search automatically for drivers, and it will automatically search for drivers. And when it says the best drivers for your device are already installed and you want to update drivers on Windows Update, you can click on this option here and it will take 3 to 5 minutes to download the update of your graphics card. Okay, and let's say you can't update, so all you need to do is just make a right click on it again and then go to Properties Options. And here in the Driver tab, you will see if you're up to date. The driver date here is latest. You will see in this section here. And still, if you can't update your driver, you can also download the applications that, or the links. Just click the links that you will find in the description box below. I will leave it there. So for Intel graphics user, you can download the Intel driver and support assistant here in this website. So just click on the link that you will find in the description box below and then click this download button. As well as for the AMD users, graphic users, processors, and graphics support knowledge base, you can also download the update for your driver in this website or in this site. And for the NVIDIA, just access this website also, and you will find the download links in the description box below. Okay, so just download and it will automatically update the drivers for you. And once you have downloaded the updates, just make a quick restart with your device and you will see that your driver, or the driver that you have, is already updated. So that's it. I hope you learned something from this video and you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye bye.